Hello everyone, I'm Michaela and today we'll connect Google Analytics 4 to marketing intelligence so that we can see web engagement, ad spend and CRM revenue in one dashboard. I'm working in Marketing Intelligence Trial Workspace, and if your organization already has I enable the built-in sandbox so that you don't touch production while testing connectors. To follow with me, you'll need to have a Google Analytics property. In your API, you'll need to have API Connect enabled, and you need to be admin in your Salesforce. To start, just make sure data is coming in your Google Analytics. So if you open this real-time overview, you can see that there are some active users. So that's important. Right now there's one less. And then let's navigate to your Salesforce and open data management. And here click new pipeline. Select Google Analytics for MI. And click next. And now we need to create the connection. So click new connection and the name of the connection. And then we need to authenticate. So select the Google account that is linked to your Google Analytics account and click continue and confirm the external access. And now we've linked the accounts successfully and choose the property ID. So you can also find it on Google Analytics. Go to admin and property details. And the ID is right here. So just copy it and paste and click next. Choose the data space where you would like to deploy that. I have only the default one and just deploy. Now the data pipeline is deploying. It will take a few minutes. Once it's active, just wait until it gets processed. And once it's processed, you can open it and you will see that there are new data streams, data transforms, data lake objects, and data models created. So you can see more details when you click the arrow, how many rows were processed, and so on. You can see the last date when it was processed. And in the process log, you can also see all the details. So that's all about how to integrate Google Analytics with marketing intelligence, all driven by clicks and not code. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach us. Bye bye.